If you're searching for an Edinburgh food tour, here's what most videos won't tell you. Some tours are rushed, some are touristy, and some are a complete waste of your appetite. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best Edinburgh food tours, ranked by experience, not hype, so you book the right one for your trip. Starting at number 5 is the Edinburgh food tour with Scotch, haggis and a secret dish. This is the most classic, well-rounded Edinburgh food tour, and that's exactly why it's here. You'll walk through the old and new town with a local guide, tasting traditional dishes like haggis with neeps and tatties, Scottish cheese, cakes, whiskey, and one rotating secret dish. What this tour does well is orientation. You're not just eating, you're learning how Scottish food fits into the city, the history, and local culture. If it's your first visit and you want a safe, structured introduction without overthinking it, this one makes sense. But this is also where a lot of people realise they don't actually want a traditional food tour. At number 4 is the Doughnut and Pastry walking tour. This tour immediately changes the pace. Instead of heavy meals, you're tasting doughnuts and pastries while sightseeing around Edinburgh Castle, Victoria Street, Princes Street, and the Royal Mile. It works especially well as a morning experience when you want something fun and social without committing to a full sit-down meal. If you like the idea of seeing the city while snacking rather than stopping for long tastings, this one fits easily into a busy itinerary. Now here's where the format flips completely, because not every great food tour in Edinburgh involves walking at all. Ranked 3rd is the Chocolatarium Chocolate Tour experience. This is one of the most unexpected food tours in Edinburgh, and one of the easiest to underestimate. Instead of walking between venues, you spend 90 minutes inside the Chocolatarium, learning how chocolate is made, tasting over 30 chocolates from Scotland and around the world, and making your own chocolate bar to take home. It's immersive, hands-on, and surprisingly filling. Ideal for rainy days, families, or anyone who prefers tasting over trekking. If you want something memorable without navigating the city, this does exactly that. But if you want something that feels more local, more indulgent, and far from the tourist trail, my second pick is the Edinburgh Cheese Crawl. This tour is unapologetically for cheese lovers, and it doesn't dilute the experience. Instead of sticking to busy central streets, you're taken into local neighbourhoods and independent cheesemongers, with generous tastings at every stop and Prosecco along the way. You'll learn about Scottish and European cheeses while discovering a quieter side of Edinburgh that most visitors never see. It feels personal, indulgent, and very if you know, which is exactly why people love it. And finally, if you want the most immersive food experience on this list, my top pick at number 1 is the VIP food tour in a hidden traditional restaurant. This is the most intimate and distinctive Edinburgh food tour you can book. Instead of walking between stops, you sit down inside a hidden traditional restaurant that locals genuinely love for a full 5-course Scottish menu paired with 4 regional drinks. You'll taste dishes like cullen skink, haggis, seafood, and a traditional dessert, guided by a local expert who explains the food, history, and stories behind every course. It's slow, cosy, and deliberately personal. And if you want depth over distance, this is the standout experience. Now that you know the best Edinburgh food tours, you're going to want to know where to eat once the tour is over. Because if you don't, you'll probably end up wasting a meal in a tourist trap, which we cover in this video right here.